Time and work. Let us see how to solve time and work problems with different concepts. We have totally 8 concepts in time and work. Working together of 2 and 3 persons. Finding the time taken of one person if the time taken of 2 or 3 people of together when is given to you. Alternate concept. Efficiency based problems. People living before completion of work, which is very very important. Men and days concept where people working in big groups. Distribution of amount or the salary given to them, and sufficient food concept. The first one. If Ram paints a wall in 10 hours and Arjun does the same in 15 hours, find the time taken by both working together. What do? You write Ram as 10 and Arjun as 15. Take the LCM. Take the LCM 30. This is 3 and this is 2. This 3 and 2 are called efficiency. And 30 is called total work. So the time taken is total work divided by total efficiency. That means, so time taken by A and B equal to 30 by 5, 6 hours. Why in hours? Because the question was given in hours. So this is the first concept. Let us do for 3 people. A takes 10 days, B 12, and C 15 days. First take the LCM. We got 60, and efficiency of A is 6, B 5, C 4. So total efficiency is 15. We got answer as 4 days. Third question. If P equal to 8 days, Q equal to 12 days, P 8, Q 12, R 16. Find the time taken by PQR. First take the LCM. 16 into 3, 48. 6 times, 4 times, 3 times. We got 48 by 13. Convert this into mixed fraction, which becomes 3, 9 by 13. So 3 days and 9 by 13th of the 4th day. These are the examples of the first concept where we are finding the time taken if the people are working together, where there might be 2 people or 3 people. In the second concept, if A, B, C travel some distance in 3 hours, for example, A, B, C travel in 3 hours, but A and C can travel in 6 and 24. A can travel in 6 and C can travel 24. Find the time taken by B. So this is where the together time is given to you, individual time of 2 people given, how to find the individual time of third person. First method is that first step, find the LCM. LCM is 24. This is 8, 4, 1. Now you can see here, A efficiency is 4 and C efficiency is 1. That is A and C efficiency is 5. But ABC efficiency is 8. What will B efficiency? 3. So the time taken by B will be total work divided by B efficiency 8 days. So it is 8 hours as it is given in the question. Time is in minutes, hours. So the time taken by B is 24 upon the efficiency of B. The efficiency of B is 3 because the total efficiency was 8 and A and C efficiency was 5. So B efficiency is 3. So time taken by B will be equal to 24 by 3, 8 hours. The third concept, alternate. In alternate, the most important is that order, which order they work. Let us take both the orders, AB order and BA order. Basically, what you have to do, 8 and 12, LCM 24, efficiency of A is 3, efficiency of B is 2. Now, first day A is working. First day A is working. How much he will do? 3 units because A can do 3 units in one day. Second day, B is working, can do 2 units. That means in totally 2 days, they have done 5 units. You have to multiply a number with 5 units so that the resultant will be nearby 24 but not more than 24. How much we can multiply? 4. That means in 8 days, total 20 units is over. On the ninth day, again A will come, will do 3 units, totally 23 units. 10th day, B will come, remaining work is 1, efficiency of B is 2, so the time taken is 9, 1 by 2, because they are taking completely 9 days and half day of the 10th day. If the order is BA, here also it is going to be say that in 2 days, it is going to be only 5 units. Multiplying by 4, 8 days, it is going to be 20 units. On the ninth day, B will come, will do 2, so totally 22. On the 10th day, A will come, remaining is 2 and A efficiency is 3. So your answer comes 9 2 by 3, where 9 complete days and 2/3 of the 10th day. This is alternate concept of two people. Now let's do for alternate of three people. Let's take the order as in the reverse order C, B, A. Now C is 12, B is 16 and A is 8. LCM 48, 4, 3, 6. So first day C will come will do 4. Second day B will come will do 3. Third day A will come will do 6. Totally 3 days, 13 units. We have to make 48. So multiply 3. 9 days, 39 units. After this, in 9 days, we have done 39. Who will come on the 10th day? Order is CBA, so C will come. Will do 4. Totally 43. 11th day, B will come. Will do 3. Totally 46. 12th day, A will come. Remaining is 2. A efficiency is 6. That is nothing but 1 by 3. So your answer is 11 complete days and 1/3 of the 12th day. This is the concept of alternate people working in the order CBA. If they give you any order, do in the same way. According to the order, you change the values. The fourth concept is efficiency-based problems. Efficiency-based problem, there are two types of cases. In case one, they will give you the together time of two people. In case two, they will ask you to calculate the together time of two people. That is to case one. If A works twice faster than B, that means efficiency of A and B is 2:1. And together complete the work in 12 days. AB is 12 days. Find how much time A takes. Let us find for A and B also. The first step, sum of the ratios. Sum of the ratio is 3. Second step, multiply the sum of the ratios with the together time. We get 36. And this 36 is considered as a total work. To find time taken by A, divide the total work by efficiency of A. What is efficiency of A? 2. We get 18 days for A. To find the time taken of B, divide the total work by efficiency of B, that is 1. We get 36 days. So this is case 1 where they give you the efficiency ratio and together time. You calculate the sum of the ratio and multiply with the together time. We get 36 units as a total work. To calculate the time taken by A, divide the total work by efficiency of A, we get 18 days. And for B, divide the total work 36 by efficiency of B, 1, we get 36 days. Case 2. In case 2, A is thrice faster than B. That means A and B ratio is 3:1. And A can complete the work in 20 days. We have to find that in how many days B alone can complete the work and also find the time taken if they work together. We have to find B and AB. Now, if you know the time taken by B, using the individual time of A and B, we can easily calculate together using the first concept that working together of two people. For case 2, first find the time ratio. The time ratio is nothing but time and efficiency are inversely proportional. The time ratio will become 1:3. According to this ratio, if A is 1, then B is 3 times. So if A is 20, then B should be 60. According to the ratio, B should be 3 times of A. So if A is 20 days, and B should take 60 days. How to find together? A 20, B 60. Take the LCM 60. This is 3. This is 1. 60 upon 4. They will take 15 days to complete the work. These are the 4 concepts in time and work: working together of 2 or 3 people, finding the time taken of 1 person, alternate concept, and efficiency concept.